Yo, I had to hit you guys with this early look of this sneaker. And if you've seen the thumbnail, you already know. We about to show you guys a crispy pair of Air Jordan 1s. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning into yet another video. Like I said, today we have an early banger for you guys today. I cannot wait to show y'all. Just know next year we ain't slowing down on the early looks. So if it's something you'd like to see and you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, see the mess on there, the content, and please, man, go ahead and drop them fire emojis down below and drop a huge like on today's video. All the early looks, man, we gotta get 500 likes for the next early look. And like I said, next year we're going crazy with them, so y'all keep up that momentum. And hey, all you're gonna see is early looks on the channel, man. My Twitter will be linked down below. I'm hearing a lot more buzz about this Nike restock that they're gonna do on the sneakers app for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, as you guys see behind me. So like I said, go head over to Twitter. You guys are gonna know first over there. Then come over on YouTube and drop the full info video over here, man. All right, let's go ahead and get into today's package. First and foremost, I want to give a huge shout out to the GOAT app. These right here I bought, I think, on like the 3rd, and it's only the 8th, and I already have them. I was gonna drop the video yesterday, but I kind of wanted to drop a YouTube short, you know what I'm saying, showing you guys my top 5 Air Jordan 1 release in 2022. Like I said, these right here might be on that list, and I might have shot it too quick with that video, but we gonna get into it. Shout out to the GOAT app. I really love the GOAT app. Everybody always asks, where do you buy your shoes at? Because you don't ever hit for retail anywhere. I go to the GOAT app, and these happen to be right around retail. I think I paid $190 for these, and it's an early pair of Air Jordan 1s. Like, bro, you didn't used to hear this a couple years ago, so it's dope for me to show you guys these dope Air Jordan 1s for a very reasonable price, man. So let's go ahead and get into them. I love the GOAT app. I wish they would sponsor your boy one of these days, but hey, we're gonna speak that into existence. But you guys know, tissue paper, and I opened it upside down like off of here before I already spilled the beans. Like, come on, how did I do this, man? Like, how did I do this? I ain't gonna look. I'm gonna take the top off real quick and put it back on the shoe so I give you guys this real initial reaction. All right, we got the box out. You guys see it. You see it, man. Regular Nike box. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Fish colorway gorge green and metallic silver. We got these things in a size 9, bro. Check that out. Like I said, this is one that I really want to check out, see what it was in for, and we're gonna see it today, man. So let's go ahead and get it. A little quick drum roll. Take the top off. You guys know, comes with this authentication process card right here, and you guys know you should get this with every one of your GOAT purchases. And yeah, let's go and check these things out, man. Let's check them out. In 3, 2, 1, bang, man. Check them out. We have, hold on. I think I shot that too quick. Whoa, yo, hold on, bro. These is nasty. The quality on these guys is ridiculous. And if I had to compare it to anything that dropped recently, it would have to be the Air Jordan 1 Midnight Navies that they dropped in the Tokyo, Japan pack. I know a lot of people are not feeling the Jordan 1s as of lately. I think people say, yo, it's too many colorways. And Jordan need like slow down a little bit. But these right here, I'm telling y'all, once you see them in hand, you're gonna like them a lot more. I'm trying to check them out. Like, I gotta let the light hit them things real quick, because bruh, the leather and the colorway is nice, man. Like, we don't get a lot of those pine green colorways and stuff like that, but when we do, I really love them. And I know like a lot of hats, a lot of fits that I could throw this with. I don't know what it is about this colorway. Maybe it's that metallic swoosh, because if you guys don't know, I was a sucker for the Midnight Navy Tokyo Japan pack. I got the silver pair, got the Midnight Navy pair, and I think it was one other one that I didn't end up grabbing. But when they go ahead and throw that metallic swoosh in there, I love it. Like, I love when they do it. They don't give us that generic black swoosh. But like, if I'm thinking about it, I think a black swoosh would have went super dope with these, because it could have been like a Celtic Air Jordan 1, and I think those released way back then. I think it was a mid, if I'm not mistaken. But these, man, oh my god, I mean, you guys, of course, some B-roll, and they hit us with the same little pop out wings logo up here, as you guys can see, like they did on the Tokyo Japan pack. So that's just a couple of things just off rips that I see, but I need you guys to peep the quality that Jordan threw on these guys. Bro, these is nasty, bro. These is tough. And like I said, I know the resale ain't there, so people gonna call them trash. But for people that like actually love Jordan 1s that wear them, that appreciate, you know, the different colorways that they are dropping, and you get it for a very, very reasonable price. I know you guys are happy. I know you guys are excited about these right here because a lot of people ain't talking about them. You know, everything was overshadowed by the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. And now that we getting these other colorways, I'm showing y'all like, hold on, I didn't even know these was releasing this year. People say, you know, they didn't even think twice about copping a pair of Jordans other than the Air Jordan 4 Alma years and the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. It's probably like the 1 and 2 of the year. I know some people say the 4s are better, some people say the 1s are better, but you got sleeper colorways like this right here that nobody talks about, and these are so dope, man. You guys know I always try to give my honest opinion about a shoe, but more than likely if I'm getting anything, especially if I'm getting early, it's because I like it. Like if I'm getting something early that I don't like, I'm gonna tell you guys. I either Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navies, I thought they was dope, but I didn't need them. Like I was like, you know what, I have the white cements, so ain't no point in me grabbing these because it'd just be something else that I wouldn't wear. The white cements I haven't wore in years, so I always try to get things that I actually do like and that I can actually rock. And I got to throw these things on feet for you guys because, hey, I already know with like some black denim or some, you know, some joggers or some cargo pants with these, it's going to go super crazy, man. Right now, down below in the comment section, I need you guys to all drop your initial reactions to seeing the Air Jordan 1 Gorge Greens. I got to get the official date for you guys. I think they already on the sneakers app. I'm not too sure. But like I said, if you did want these early, you can get them for right around the same price you would get them in the store. And let me check on sneakers app real quick to see if they have them on here. Yes, sir. Okay, so the Air Jordan 1 Gorge Greens will be releasing December the 20th. And of course, it's gonna be a retail tag of $180. When I get a little bit closer to the actual release date, I'm definitely gonna drop a full review and on feet, because that's something I've been slacking, I ain't gonna lie. But they come equipped in the green laces, kind of matching the overall color, that Gorge Green, and they come with some extra white laces. And I think the white laces honestly might go dummy in these guys. Lately, I've been throwing the white laces in all my Air Jordan 1s, like Air Jordan Lost and Founds. People say you should throw the black in there. I'm like, nah. The off-white sail, white laces go dope with a lot of these, you know, traditional color blocking Air Jordan 1s like this right here. So you guys let me know how you feeling them. I need to see all you guys' comments, reactions, all that good stuff. Is this something you're gonna cop on December the 20th? It's something you'll pay $180 for. Me myself, I paid $190 and I got them early, so you can't beat it. And I like this colorway, so it was definitely a win-win situation for your boy the Vintage, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to today's video. Like I said, man, please subscribe if you're new, hit the like button, and please hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content. I got one of my grails coming in. It's been long awaited. Took a long time with this one. I got my grail pair before I bought these. But it is what it is. They're coming. Got that tracking. And it's on, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.